You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 2500. This two-door, three-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.